If you're looking for an all-in-one platform to help your business capture more leads, collect more customer reviews, manage text conversations, and even automate sales with AI, then you've probably come across Podium. But the question is it actually worth the investment? And if you decide that Podium is the platform for you, be sure to use our referral link in the description below. When your qualifying referral meets Podium's referral program requirements, both you and we can receive a $500 reward subject to the program's terms and eligibility requirements. So, let's jump into the review and see what Podium has to offer. Let's begin. Podium is an AI-powered customer communication and lead management platform designed primarily for local businesses and service-based companies. Instead of juggling phone calls, text messages, web chats, reviews, and leads across multiple apps, Podium centralizes everything so your team can respond faster, provide better customer service, and convert more prospects into paying customers. One of the standout features of Podium is that it offers two powerful AI-driven solutions, which is going to be the Sales AI and Service AI. Sales AI is designed to help businesses capture, qualify, and follow up with leads automatically. It can engage website visitors, answer common sales questions instantly, book appointments, and continuous conversations through SMS, helping ensure potential customers don't slip through the cracks, even outside business hours. On the other hand, the Service AI focuses on customer support after the sale. It helps business answers frequently asked questions, manage service inquiries, schedule appointments, and provide instant assistance through automated conversations. Now, this allows your team to deliver faster, more consistent customer support while reducing repetitive tasks. Together, Sales AI and Service AI streamlines the customer interactions and improve response times, increase conversions, and deliver a better overall customer experience, all from a single platform. Having said all of that, let's take a look at Podium's pricing plans, because rather than offering fixed monthly pricing on the website, Podium focuses on using a custom quote model, allowing businesses to choose a plan based on their size, industry, and specific needs. As you may notice that Podium offers three main plans. Number one is going to be the Podium platform, which is designed for businesses that need the essential tools to manage customer conversations and generate more leads. It includes all of these: a centralized inbox for text messages, phone calls, forms and emails, and customization options, which is a great starting point for small businesses looking to improve customer communication. Meanwhile, the Sales AI plan, which is going to be, I believe, is the most popular because it includes everything here in the Podium platform. Plus, this plan is ideal for growing businesses that want to automate more of their customer engagement and maximize lead conversion. And finally, the Service AI is built for larger or multi-location business that need enterprise-level capabilities. Overall, Podium's pricing plan is flexible rather than a one-size-fits-all, since every business has different requirements, a personalized code to receive exact pricing based on the features and scale your business needs. And if you decide that Podium is the platform for you, be sure to use our link in the description below. When your qualifying referral meets Podium's referral program requirements, both you and we can receive a $500 reward subject to the program's terms and eligibility requirements. And with that being said, that wraps up our review of Podium. If you're looking for a platform that combines AI-powered sales tools, customer communication, online reviews, payments, and team messaging all in one place, Podium is definitely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.